안녕하세요. Hello, Sami Gauri. Today we are opening Galaxy Z Fold 8 cream color, black colors, and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So we bought three. I paid for this. No sponsored by Samsung Australia or Samsung Global. But please send me to London next year. This is S25 Ultra and Z Fold 8 Ultra, and this is the reference for iPhone Air. Let's open it. Now, this is Galaxy Fold. Wow. And fold it. So, this, it's 4.1 millimeter for the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and this is 5.6 millimeter for the iPhone Air. This is Ultra. Ta-da! It's way thin than just normal flat mobile phone. And this is Ultra. Ta-da! Z Fold 8 Ultra, and this is a Z Fold 8. iPhone Air. This is Galaxy Z Fold 8. This is Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching Sami Gauri today. Tell me what you wanna open the box next. Click like, subscribe. See you next time, and bye bye.